Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'll be making this cute bag, and please make sure you watch from beginning to the end. This is the part 2 of this particular video. Please make sure you watch the part 1 of this video. And also guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Guys, this is the pattern I'm working with. I'm going to apply gum to it. You can apply your glue to it and wait for it to dry a little bit and just gum it directly to the foam. Guys, if you want to watch how I derived to this pattern, how I was able to sketch this pattern, you want to have an idea of it, please make sure you click on the link below the description of this video to watch the part 1 of this particular bag. Please, for a better understanding, watch the part 1 of this particular bag, and the link will be dropped under the description of this video. So I'm going to apply gum to this is the front panel of the bag. So I'm going to apply gum to the front panel of the bag and just glue it directly to my foam. So now I'm through gluing the front. This is the back panel, the upper base. The upper base is the top of the bag and also the flap of the bag. So basically guys, what I'm doing is to take the fabric which I'm going to be working with. I'm working with a vinyl fabric, so I'm just going to take it and just glue. I'm going to glue the fabric to my exterior panel. The exterior panel, I'm making use of a Deco-V Heavy for my exterior panel. So I'm just going to glue the fabric on top of my stiffener, which is the leather board that I'm using. Guys, I'm through with the exterior panel of my bag. I'm going to move directly to the lining part of my bag. For the lining part, I'm going to be using a board called chipboard. So this is equivalent to Deco-V light. So you can use Deco-V lights for your chipboard. So I'm just going to take my lining. I'm just going to just glue my lining to my Deco-V light, which is my chipboard. For the lining of my bag, I'm going to be using chipboard, equivalent to chipboard is equivalent to Decovi light. So that's what I'll be making use of. Decovi light for the pocket of my bag, and for the lining to wrap, I'm going to be making use of a shiny face lining. Guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to install my rivets. So I'm going to be using two rivets for this particular bag and one magnet. I'm going to be using a magnetic snap for um, this particular bag. So now I'm just trying to locate where I'm going to install the other part of the magnet to the exterior part of my bag. So this is the front panel of the bag. I'm going to install my magnetic snap to the front panel of my bag. Guys, if you have any questions, please kindly drop your questions under the comment section. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to give us a beautiful like and also a nice comment. Guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm stitching both the lining part of the bag and also the exterior panel of my bag together. I'm using my flatbed machine to stitch the both together. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to work on the gusset of my bag, the side panel of my bag. Guys, now I'm just going to pick the front panel of my bag and also the lining of my bag and stitch. Note, I did not wrap, I didn't, gum Decovi light to this lining. No, I'm only using Decovi heavy for the exterior, um which is the front panel, and also my lining. So guys, the next thing is to apply gum to the tip of my exterior panel bag, and wait for it to dry before I glue my fabric directly to it. And I'm also going to take my scissors to cut out the excess fabric or excess lining that I don't need. And guys, if you have to trim it, you have to trim it very well so that your lining will not be poking out, it won't be showing outside. So for the gusset of the bag, I'm making use of a leather padding. But guys, I later changed this padding that I'm using, and I used I used Mako padding for this. It's actually I think size 2. I use size 2 Mako for the side padding of my bag, the side panel padding of my bag. So guys, I'm just going to apply gum, wait for it to dry, and glue it directly to the lining. Now I'm through wrapping the gusset. I'm just going to sew the tip, the short part of the gusset. I'm going to sew that aspect. So after this, guys, I'm almost through with this bag, and all I just need to do right now is to start coupling the bags together. So you can do this in two ways. You can either you can sew them separately and glue them. You glue the bag together, or you can actually use your cylinder bed machine to stitch the bag. So you can do this bag in different ways. I'm through applying the gum. I'm just going to gum my front panel and also the corset together. So guys, you can do this two ways. Like I said, you can do it two ways. You can actually stitch different, I mean separately, sorry. You can stitch it separately and gum them together. After using the gum like this, you can, after using the gum and the clip, then you can as well use your glue to make them stick together, just to make sure that the gum is not going to it's not going to come out. I mean, it's not going to, the bag is not going to open, so you have to use a glue to hold them neatly. So you can do it that way, or you can actually use your cylinder bed machine to sew the bag. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you learned one or two things. Please, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section. And also, if you find this video interesting, you can give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. And please guys, watch out for my next video. Happy New Year in advance. Love you all.